nighttime, there's going to be live music everywhere in the city. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so more surprises. I don't know, but there's like a really cool temple way up there. It's kind of hard to see in the lighting, I think. I mean, with the camera, but I can see it. It's beautiful. Another river comes through, another canal, more artwork, more restaurants, and this too. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that temple now. Maybe you can see it better where the lighting has changed a little bit. So yeah, it's really beautiful the way it illuminates up in the hill. There's a little girl. So okay, pretty cool. Now we're just walking down a regular street, the sidewalks and shopping of the more traditional kind. There's a guy here, and I think he's crazy famous because he's here. And everybody in here is like trying to capture his pictures. This guy. The reason I think he's famous is because last night I went to another bar and he was there playing there. And the same thing, there's all these people coming around taking pictures of him. And I had a beer there and it was like the most expensive beer I've had in China. It's like about $10 for one beer. Usually it's much, much less. $2 or something like that. Anyways, if you know who that guy is, let me know. This overlooks this whole area. So yeah, this is it's got a full moon, almost a full moon up there too. Kids. So we're just gonna, oh, the Van Gogh Museum, okay. And you got all this too. Van Gogh. Okay, we're gonna walk over this boat, I guess it is. Yeah, it's a nice waterway right there. A lot of people taking pictures. There's also these umbrellas and a moon that's up there in the sky. Lots of people all the way down over there. The guy's staring at me a lot. But I think everybody has cameras, so I guess I've never seen a white guy with a camera, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, pretty crazy crowded around here. So if you remember this morning I was filmed up by the Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut's right straight ahead. I don't know how the train's gonna navigate. this kind of crowd. I don't know how I'm gonna navigate it. See that crowd. Yeah, Yangshuo is very popular. They're all selling clothing, all standing here in a row. Somebody else is throwing this up. More stands. All these ladies in the middle just kind of, oh, they're wearing the dress that they're selling. That's interesting that they're wearing the dress they're selling. Okay. And a motorcycle goes through it all. Yeah, this whole line of women selling a dress that they're wearing. It's okay, we're gonna go back into the mess with them. Yep, you can kind of get a feeling for what it's like though, for sure. It's crowded right now. Ice cream. Anyways, pretty cool spot, but it is crazy crowded. Okay. Walk right into the mess of everything. So I think you got an idea of just how crowded it is. And it's a Monday night too. But it's a Monday night in August.